today. Will you join me? I hope so. My name is Martha. Welcome to my channel, and let's go make a wreath. All Walmart items today. And here are the things I'll be using to make today's wreath. This styrofoam wreath form, which was $6.97. I will also be using this chunky chenille yarn. It's so soft, and that was $7.44. This eucalyptus branch, which was $2.32. Look at this beautiful baby's breath. It looks so real. I bought 5 bunches. Those were $2.82 each. And I also will be using a welcome sign, which is made of wood. And the welcome sign was $1.62. The ribbon was $4.97. And I believe that's it. Like I said, all the items except a black paint that I will be using, which was from Dollar Tree, all the other items were from Walmart. The first thing I'm going to do before I start working on the wreath is I'm going to paint my welcome sign in black. So I have some black paint from Dollar Tree. It's Craftwise chalkboard black. And I'm just gonna start painting this. And the black will stand out because it's going to be against the cream colored back. So you will be able to distinguish the letters quite well. And I just love the combination of the black with the cream. When this dries, I'll just give it a second coat. There. So I'm gonna put this to dry, and then I will start working on decorating the wreath. So the first thing I'm going to start out doing is I am going to wrap up my styrofoam wreath form with this beautiful, soft, chunky chenille yarn. It's a beautiful natural color, and I think it's gonna come out really pretty. Of course, I'm not gonna make you see how I cover this entire thing. I'll just start it off and you can see as I go. And I'm gonna start by adding hot glue. And holding it in place, waiting for that to dry. And I'm going to cut pieces of the yarn because it's gonna make it a lot easier to just roll it around with smaller pieces. So I'm just gonna be covering the styrofoam wreath, pulling tightly on the yarn. After I finish with each piece, like the one I just cut here, then I'll add some glue there. But it's not necessary to add glue in every little piece. I'm gonna add some glue right here and hold it down until that dries. And see how pretty that's looking? Let's cut another piece of the yarn and work with that. And I'm going to start by adding some hot glue here so I could start with the new piece right here. Hold that down for a few minutes. Then I'm going to continue wrapping the wreath form, and I'll be back when I'm done. And here it is. I think it looks pretty. I think it looks pretty just like this. Isn't that nice? It's so soft. I wish you could feel it. Okay, so it's time to start decorating our wreath. I've cut off the little bunches of baby breath from the larger stem. I just love baby breath. It's such a delicate flower. It reminds me of lace, doesn't it? I think it's beautiful, and I would like some of this chenille to show through, so let's see how I'm gonna go about doing this. It could be kind of time consuming because I want it to be beautiful. I'm gonna be using this stick to help open up, make it easier for me to just stick them in there. And that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm going to be adding a little bit of hot glue to the stems of the baby breath before inserting them into the wreath form so that it just gives it a little bit more security and so they don't fall out. And here is the way it's looking so far. I'm really pleased with that, and it's like a little bit French country / Victorian, so let's keep going. Going to hot glue the welcome sign. You want to make sure that the welcome sign is right smack in the middle of where it's going to hang in the top. And I will continue to add baby's breath around the welcome sign. Now I'm cutting very small pieces of eucalyptus, and I am going to insert them in between the baby's breath. I love eucalyptus. It's my favorite scent for candles and for diffusers. And I think it's gonna look really nice. The combination of the baby's breath and the eucalyptus. And here it is, you guys. All the eucalyptus and baby's breath is into this beautiful wreath form covered with this soft chenille yarn. And now it's time to work on making a bow. As I've told you before, I am not the best at making bows, but I will try my best. And this ribbon is absolutely beautiful. It's sparkly, it's gold, and I think it's really gonna add to the wreath. So let's get going with that. I'm also going to add a little bit of this thinner cream colored ribbon. I think it will really give a nice contrast because it's got more or less the color of the baby's breath. So I think that will look really pretty. I'm going to insert a piece of a thin wooden dowel to the center top part of the wreath so that I could attach the ribbon to that. And I'm just putting the final touches on the ribbon, and then I'm gonna go hang it on my door so you can see what it looks like. Here it is, you guys. Tell me what you think. I hope that you like it as much as I do. You know, I love having a beautiful wreath on my front door because when anybody comes to visit, that's the first thing they see. And when there's a beautiful wreath there, especially when it says welcome, you know, it's like it makes a person feel like, wow, you know, you're a friend. Come and spend time with us. You are welcome here. So besides it just being beautiful, a beautiful decor for your door, it's also a very welcoming item to family and friends. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that I will see you in my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you take care. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.